Yeah, we have more than 11 schools here today, mostly that have construction programs already at CCSD. We're really excited to let them know about the different apprenticeship programs out there, and hopefully we can get them hired once they graduate.
I think they're going to meet a lot of people here where you're going to have a door opened a little bit, and then they're going to have to put the work in to make it happen. For me as a teacher, it's all about giving them the confidence and as many skills as I can so that when they get out, they have different roads to go down. They can, although I'm teaching them welding, I'm teaching them things that they can pretty much take and go into any of the unions here.
We have sprinkler fitters, we have plumbers and pipe fitters, electricians, IBW, iron workers, D16, which represents painters, glaziers, floor covers, you name it. We represent every craft in the construction. We really want to promote these apprenticeship programs. They're essentially get paid while you're going to school. The best part is you also get college credit. So by the time you finish our 4 to 5 year apprenticeship, you are around two to three classes away from getting an associate's degree with CSN.
We're just trying to show them as many opportunities as we can.